This is COSORI Pressure Cooker in a size of 6 quart. This actually goes beyond just pressure cooker. It does 9 different options of preset cooking. The inner pot here is non-stick. It is a ceramic aluminum pot. It's very pleasant to cook with and also very easy for cleaning. It also comes with a steaming rack that you can insert to the inner pot, as well as a set of booklet. It has user manual, recipe, and a quick guide. On the lid, it has an orange dot that you can align to close this pressure cooker. One thing I really like about the design of the lid is that this fan switch is actually on the side, and it's pretty far from the vent that's located in the back, which I think is a very nice safety feature. As far as the control panel and the manual option on the front here, there's a status bar. There's also an LCD screen where you can change the temperature, the timing, as far as all of the options of what this machine is capable of. They're all listed very nicely, laid out in 3 different rows. Very easy to navigate. And the very bottom, there's also switches for pressure, temperature, keep warm, and at the very bottom for cancel and start. I think all of the menus are laid out very well. Before the first, they advise you to do a test run. Do a pressure cooking on 3 cups of water. Close the pressure cooker by lining the 2 orange dots right here. Turn it to the left. Set it to pressure cooking for 5 minutes and hit start. Very simple process. When it's done, you can choose to wait for natural release or do a quick release. For a quick release, move the steam release switch to the vent position. Just be careful. There's gonna be a lot of steam coming out of the backside of the pressure cooker. Again, I love the design of this lid. Putting this steam release switch far from the actual steam is actually very smart. Once the flow valve has dropped, you can safely open the lid by turning it to the right. Another great thing about this pressure cooker is that it's multifunction, which means you can combine the steps of sautéing with pressure cooker, or for example, making rice and then sautéing to make a fried rice. In this particular example, I'm making a beef and I started with sautéing. I want to brown the beef and put off the ingredients. Then after sautéing, switching to pressure cooking, leave it on for 30 minutes. And this is what I got. In addition to that, each one of this cooking function has additional setup that you can adjust. So for example, sautéing, you can set temperature to low, medium, high. Same thing with pressure cooking. You can adjust the timing as well as the pressure. So much flexibility. So versatile. You can basically do different function of cooking in the same pot, which means less cleaning. I also like that this pressure cooker has some modern and slick design, and it's a great addition to my kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.